Okay, this is a Queensland Boulder Opal set as a brooch, set in sterling silver as a brooch, but it can also be worn as a pendant as well. Now Boulder Opal is not a doublet, not a triplet, not a synthetic, 100% natural. You get these amazing, look at that rolling flash, isn't that beautiful? Okay, so and as a pendant, as a brooch, you would still get that flash of colour coming through. If I can just get the right angle. It's kind of different, isn't it? But a really popular style, this brooch. So it looks good. It's modern. It's not gaudy. It's not too old looking. It's kind of brooch, so a little bit funky, a little bit different. But the quality of the making is really outstanding. Just you can see here how the metal really hugs the stone beautifully. There's no gaps. The stone's never going to fall out. It has that, look at that color. Wow. So a beautiful 100% natural solid Boulder Opal, set in sterling silver as a brooch. We have our little logo on the back there. See just in the middle there? Is that reflection? 925 with our logo. And that's the ironstone rock, the brown part, ironstone rock that the opal forms inside of. Cool, really nice. Oh, excuse my thumbprint. All right, thanks guys, bye-bye.